At their munificence, I give you our sublime sovereigns, Wigfang and Nansen.
And please remain standing if you are able, for their highnesses, Ivan and Catalina, heirs of the mighty dragon throne. Their Majesties invite His Majesty of the East, King Matthias, to join them in their court.
Comes before you the tiger throne, Rex Orientalis, King of the East, Matthias Grunwald, Knight of the Society, Master of Defense. This blue tiger does not stalk his prey, but comes today in peace and friendship.
Their Majesties invite into their court their Excellencies, Casimir and Asrita, Baron and Baroness of the Flame. Their Majesties invite into their court the assembled territorial baronage of the Middle Kingdom.
Bernie of Middle Marches, Ulick and Slaney. Bernie of Flaming Griffin, Timothy and Elizabetta. Bernie of Sternfeld, Thomas and Anne. Bernie of Shattered Crystal, Avery and Berengaria. Barony of Roaring Waste, Louis and Cy. Barony of Shadowed Stars, Ronan.
Thank you, everyone. Please have your seats.